Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the Alpinestars copper short riding gloves. The copper short riding glove retails for $49.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's jump into sizing. Real easy here. I wear a 2X in most common gloves. That's what I have on right now. It fits and feels great. This glove has a tremendous amount of stretch built into it. Okay, so sizing for almost anyone, you just go with your traditional size, you're probably going to get a great comfortable fit. Let's jump into who this glove is right for. This is an ultra lightweight glove, urban style, some commuting stuff. And what I'm just going to say, right, and Alpinestars probably hates this part. If protection is the number one thing on your list, I would encourage you to keep looking. You're going to need something that's more of a leather short glove that's more substantial than this. With that said, does this have a certain measure of protection? Absolutely, it certainly does. I just want to make sure your expectations are in line with what we've got here. We've got a Clarino palm, synthetic leather. They have, and that actually looks pretty cool right there. There's a little foam underneath there. It's kind of an impact zone, right? That'll help you out a little bit. Got a nice little rubber knuckle protector under there. This thing does wear amazingly light. This is probably as close as you're going to get to having a glove on your hand, and it feels like you don't. And there are a lot of riders out there that their number one feature is that. Touchscreen compatibility is going to be found on both gloves on just the index finger. Very lightweight spandex material between all the fingers, right? And mesh chassis. This thing is going to flow a metric shit ton of air when you're on the bike. Like I said, once again, it's like you don't even have a glove on. Entry and exit, as well as adjustability, is found right here with Velcro. Little A-Stars logo there. Real basic piece. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.